Hi guys, to find the value of this expression, first we will simplify the denominator of each term individually. So let's start. The first term is 1 upon root 1 plus root 2. We are going to multiply by root 1 minus root 2 in the numerator and root 1 minus root 2, the same number in the denominator. The second term is 1 upon root 2 plus root 3. We are going to multiply root 2 minus root 3 in the numerator and the same number root 2 minus root 3 in the denominator. We are doing this so that we can find the denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The third term, which is 1 upon root 3 plus root 4, what we are going to do now? We are going to multiply root 3 minus root 4 in the numerator and the same number root 3 minus root 4 in the denominator. So denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Now by applying the same method to the rest of the terms, we will get the last term as root 99 minus root 100 divided by root 99 plus root 100 into root 99 minus root 100. Since a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, the denominator of the first term will become a square means root 1 square minus root 2 square. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. And the numerator will be as it is, root 1 minus root 2. The second term will become root 2 minus root 3 divided by root 2 square minus root 3 square. And the third term will be root 3 minus root 4 divided by root 3 square minus root 4 square, and so on. The last term will be root 99 minus root 100 divided by root 99 square minus root 100 square. Since square of square root of a is equals to a to the power 1 by 2 into 2, which is equals to a. Hence, the denominator of the first term will become root 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2, so 1 minus 2, and numerator is as it is root 1 minus root 2. Next term will be root 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus 3. And now root 3 minus root 4 divided by 3 minus 4, and so on. The last term will become root 99 minus root 100 divided by 99 minus 100. Further, we simplify this. What is left? Root 1 minus root 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Plus root 2 minus root 3 divided by minus 1. Plus root 3 minus 4, root 4 divided by 3 minus 4 is minus 1, and so on. And the last term will become root 99 minus root 100 divided by minus 1. Minus 1 is common, so we are taking out minus 1 out of the bracket. So what is left inside bracket? Root 1 minus root 2 plus root 2 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus root 4, and so on. The last term will be root 99 minus root 100. All term between root 1 and minus root 100 will be cancelled out as root 2, root 3, root 4. So what is left? Minus 1 into root 1 minus root 100. By opening the bracket, we will get minus root 1 minus minus plus root 100. Root 1 is 1, so it will become minus 1 plus root 100 can be written as root 10 square. minus 1 plus root 10 square. So it will become minus 1 plus root 10 square is 10. So minus 1 plus 10 is equals to 9. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Cheers.